Hey everyone, welcome back to Unwind Vibes. Today, we're exploring a unique and highly effective style of yoga that focuses on precision and alignment, Iyengar Yoga. Whether you're new to yoga or looking to deepen your practice, Iyengar offers amazing benefits for both the body and mind. Let's dive into what makes this style so special. First, benefits: accessibility and alignment. Iyengar Yoga, developed by BKS. Iyengar is all about paying attention to detail. It focuses on precise alignment in each pose and often uses props like blocks, straps, and bolsters to help you achieve the perfect form. This makes Iyengar Yoga incredibly accessible. Whether you're a beginner or someone with limited flexibility or strength. Second, benefits: targeting tension. One of the key benefits of Iyengar Yoga is that it's designed to work with your body, not against it. The use of props allows you to stay in poses longer, helping to build strength, stability, and balance. It's also great for improving posture and relieving physical tension. By holding poses and adjusting alignment, you can release deep-seated tension in your muscles and joints. Third, benefits: mind-body connection. Another amazing aspect of Iyengar Yoga is its focus on the mind-body connection. By concentrating on precise movements and alignment, you cultivate mindfulness and awareness in each pose. This helps reduce stress, improve focus, and promote mental clarity. The slower pace also makes it a perfect choice for those who want a meditative and restorative practice. So, if you're looking for a yoga practice that emphasizes precision, alignment, and mindfulness, Iyengar Yoga is definitely worth trying. Whether you're aiming to build strength, relieve tension, or find mental clarity, this style of yoga can support your journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next session here at Unwind Vibes.